In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the so-called justification functions to align strings. All right, so let me comment everything out, and we'll need some test strings. So the strings we're going to use for our exercises. So here I've created a list, names, that will contain, surprise, surprise, names. These are going to be the names of the dwarfs from the Snow White. They were Dog, Grumpy, Happy, Sleepy, Bashful, Sneezy, and Dopey. Very good. So now, in order to do the proper justification, we'll need to find the longest name from the list. So we use the max function, which is pretty straightforward. It will return the biggest element, and inside of it, we use the list comprehension to compare these names by their length. And then we'll use this longest string, the longest name, as a sort of an indicator. So I'll show you what I mean. Here we iterate through this list, and inside of a print, we say something like, well, reserve me the length of the longest string plus some extra characters. In this case, L just means left justification, therefore characters will be on the right. So the longest name plus 2 characters on the right, and these characters will be dashes. And then finalize the line with a colon. So this will make sure that all names from this list will fit into our justification model. And if you can't see where we're heading to just yet, wait until you'll see the output and everything will just click. So L just stands for left justification, center is the center justification, and R just is the right justification. So let's scroll down a little bit so we can see which method was responsible for which output. So the first part, all names are aligned to the left, and the space to the right is filled with dashes up to a certain length, which was the longest name plus 2 dashes. So the longest name was Bashful. All right, then we have the center alignment, and dashes are placed to the left and to the right of the name. And then, of course, the right alignment where dashes are to the left. And of course, each line is finalized with the colon. All right, so this was the string justification at work.